Alright, I'm going to show some quick video of drilling some holes. We'll do this real quick and then move into the planting stage with my monkey grass. It's pretty easy. That gets it deep enough for one of these pots. I measure with my foot. Move on to the next. Amen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 holes. So 11, 12, that's 23. Not bad. So I'll show a quick planting. Really easy. Take these out. Nice for planting here. I like to cut the roots. They're really root bound. Get our roots on that. So I take this little knife, slice the roots to encourage some root expansion, and then plop this in the ground. It's in there nicely. There we go. That's one. And we're ready to go. So I'll go through, take the pots off of each one, cut the roots, push it in the ground. If it's not deep enough, I'll use this little trowel, get some rocks out of there. I'm sure there's some rocks or roots in there. Take that out, and we'll be done in no time. Well, they're in. I'm back here behind the camera. So here they are, in 23 plants in fairly quickly with this little auger that I put on my drill there. There's the remnants. We'll be tossing those, but it's been nice and cool and wet here in Texas, so hopefully these will take off. Hopefully they can tolerate a little shade. And the pup dog seems to be enjoying his sticks. So on to some more here. I might put some around this tree, maybe here. I've got some plants already stashed for that tree back there, and I've got to put 2 in back here, actually 3, where there were some fire ants. So I put some bug death down there. Hopefully they'll be a little less rambunctious when I get over there. Hey, pup dog. Well, it's a little after 1, and I have forgotten to get lunch. But I have finished planting all 7 of my recent monkey grass flats. I've planted all around this structure here. There's a good number in there. I didn't have enough for that. I probably need to plant in there. I could probably put 1.5 flats in there. Eventually put something in here, but that tree is dead. That'll be a cut down video, maybe. And then I did plant some around this little structure here. It goes up and stops just short of the little play set there. I planted 5 around this little tree here. I've got to put about 5 more in there. Did not get any in there. I did get some over here. And, in this little structure at the base of my wood pile I got here. This is from just branches that fall out of the tree. So we throw those in the little fire pit we have. And then I planted 3 in this place where I've got fire ants. I got some poison down there, but I need to put some more down. But I've got a bunch in here. Maybe need to put some more plants in here to make it look nicer, but the edging will be nice. And so anyway, I've got to make another purchase. Maybe I'll do that today while the yard is drying off. All right, so I've gotten several shipments so far, but received this one last night, and it's Hosta. Hosta bare roots, and here is one of them. Each of these bags, I have two, one and two, has 3 bare root hostas in there. I received these yesterday, and they're in peat moss right now. And since I couldn't plant them because they came so late yesterday and I was pretty much done planting some, I put these in the refrigerator. They're nice and cool. And I'm going to go in the backyard and put some around my trees in the back. Fun times ahead. Alright, so we're going to plant these hostas. It's April the 8th, 2020, during the COVID-19 dealio, so a lot of people are working their yards. I'm going to get this here in a little bit, my wheelbarrow. So I'm going to be working in my yard. If he becomes a problem, I'm going to have to put him in the back. If he starts walking on my new plants. Some new plants I put in yesterday. Can't see them right now. But what I've done is I've marked with real long flags where I want to put these big daddy hostas. They're going to go in here. I've got one here that I'm going to put in. I don't have one designated over here, but I think I'm going to put one in over here. Definitely one there. You can see the long flag there. I've got a spot for one over here, so I've got 6. Then I'm going to plant. I've got a spot over here, another one over there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So those will be my 6 big daddies I'm going to put in. I'm going to keep them marked with the flags, and then we'll watch them as they go. Here's the puppy dog. He just jumped in some water. Careful of him. Alright, so I've got a hole here. I hope that's big enough. Probably should go a little deeper just to be safe. But what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to take these hostas out. These little roots. Bare root jobs. And I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to let them soak. Only got 3. 2 in here, and let's see, I've got a 3rd one in here. I'm pulling them out of this bag in here, and I'm setting them in here. I'm just going to soak for a little bit. Ooh, is this a bonus? No, I don't know what that is. Could be a bonus. Put that over there, and I'll check the rest here. What I'll do is I'll pour these remnants in my soil I'm preparing for the hole. So there was some good stuff on the top and some clay in the bottom here. What I've done is I've mixed it up so it'll be a little better for the plant. And now let's get these going here too. They're supposed to be big daddies. I hope they are. Well, there's a 3. It's a small one. There's another one in here because that was kind of a cheap one. Looks like that's it. Let's pour these in here. About all through 8. Anyway, next step will be to finish mixing this soil up. Maybe make this hole a little bigger. Then I'll place this in here, place one of those in here, and then drop the dirt on here. And then I've got some extra water over here that I'll use to get it going. And then I'm going to put some fertilizer and some water to get things really started. So I'll set this up on a little time lapse so you can watch. I can show you what I've done. I've kind of taken all the soil that I mixed up and I've mounded it back up into a little cone here, and I've taken one of the bare roots and I've stuck it down here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slowly drop in some dirt over the roots. As you can see, the roots are kind of over the cone of dirt that I've put there, so that as it starts to grow again in the summer here, those roots will get into this soft, newly mixed soil, and hopefully help for a healthy environment for my little hosta, which will hopefully be a big hosta, big daddy hosta. Not a pasta, hosta. Or as Alexa likes to call it, a hosta. She said my hosta bulbs were ready. Really, we've always called them hostas. So, taking the dirt out of my wheelbarrow that's been churned up and gradually setting it in on top of a big daddy. Alright, it's in. It's in here, right here. I've put the flag here so I don't come and step in here. And hopefully in the next few days it'll get going. I gave it a little bit of water here. Got a bucket of water here. Poured a little bit in there. And I'll come back and put some plant starter in some water. Pour it in this little hole here. We'll get it going soon.